So let's start our granny square. We'll start with a magic ring and we'll chain 3. So 2 of the chains will count as a double crochet, and then we have chain 1 with that. Then we have 7 double crochets. With the first one we'll have a total of 8 and chain 1, double crochet and chain 1 till the end, till we have 8 of those. Alright, so here I am with the next step. Now we're gonna have to connect the last chain 1 to the beginning, and we'll just use a slip stitch into that first chain. And try always to put a little chain extra to make your work extra strong. So you want it to unravel when it's used all the time. Tighten the middle, and then usually I'll go ahead and I'll make a little knot here so I can get the ends together, and then I'll carry them around and I'll hide them in the stitches. It just works faster. With the next round here, and I always start with a little slip knot. I can do it like this, I can do it with my crochet hook, and then I usually put a little chain as well, even sometimes 2 chains to make it really strong. In my tutorials I'll sometimes skip that part, but when I usually do for sales or when I want something really durable, I will make sure I put chains on everything. So here we will have a cluster of 4. We're gonna have a cluster of 4 double crochets in each space. However, the first one will be chain 2 and then 3 double crochets that we're gonna count as a cluster of 4. We're gonna count the first one as a double crochet, but we will keep them as one tight cluster. So we'll pull through the stitch, and we'll keep it on our hook. We'll yarn over, pull through, keep it on your hook, yarn over, make your stitch, pull through the first 2 loops, and now you have a total of 4 loops here. And we pull through all the stitches, we chain 3, and now we're ready for the second one. Yarn over, pull through, keep it on your hook, yarn over, pull through, keep it on your hook, yarn over, pull through, keep it on your hook, yarn over, pull through, keep it on your hook. We have 4 double crochets, and we have the loop from the space before, so we have actually 5 loops on our hook. We pull through all of them, and then we chain 3, 2, 3, and now we are ready for the next petal. So we'll go for a total of 8 petals, but I want it to be very easy to work with. For beginners, yeah, I think it could be even good for kids to work with that type of yarn. Okay, so I really will chain 2 here, and I'll make it really tight, and now I can start. So there, I can start anywhere. So here we are, and we will start with our middle cluster. So it's again, we chain 2 here, and then we will just do 2 double crochets, because